Have you ever wondered why some tomato plants stay small, develop yellow leaves, and produce very little fruit, while others grow strong, healthy, and are loaded with tomatoes? The secret may not be expensive fertilizer. It can be a simple homemade mixture made from common kitchen ingredients. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, especially during rapid growth and early flowering. At this stage, strong roots are essential because healthy roots help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. To make this natural booster, start with 400 milliliters of clean water. Add 100 milliliters of buttermilk, which contains beneficial bacteria that support a healthier soil environment. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Yeast helps stimulate microbial activity in the soil and can improve nutrient availability around the roots. Now add half a teaspoon of honey. This step is important because it provides energy for beneficial microorganisms. For extra support, you can also add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, which may help discourage some common garden pests. Mix everything well and let it sit for about 2 hours. After that, pour the mixture into a jug and add 1 liter of clean water. Stir thoroughly. Apply the solution directly around the base of mature tomato plants every 2 weeks. Avoid using it on very young seedlings. Within a few weeks, you may notice stronger growth, greener leaves, more flowers, and better fruit production.